All right, my Enjimon trainers, here we are with the update for the Wallet Monsters site for the beta testing members, as well as anybody else that's looking to see what we got going on. Now, anybody that's been interacting with the main site before, you're going to have to follow these steps. I'm going to need you all to hard refresh your browser. So now, in order to hard refresh your browser, you're going to press Control Shift R. All right, and as you see, there's the browser. It just refreshed, and now it is up to date with the contract that we have deployed. So now you're going to be able to go to the section Beta Members. We updated all of the links and the buttons, so now you can go ahead. I'm already logged in, and give it a second, and there it is. You'll be able to see your Enjimon is here, alive and well, and all the functions are working perfectly fine. You can hit them directly from the site. Again, you have enough tokens. You have your balance here. I've been using mine to train and feed, and you'll be able to go ahead about taking care of your Enjimon. All right. So once again, you're going to have to hard refresh. If this isn't available, you'll hit once again Control Shift R, and that will hard refresh the page. And now your browser will clear the cache, and you'll be able to see the updated contract for the site. All right, check it out. Get in the action and have some fun. All right.